Until recently, humans knew just one version of the universe, namely the physical reality. However, the planet and its scenery have changed dramatically over the last several decades with the advent of a new realm, the virtual world or the metaverse. This video will walk you through the 10 greatest methods to take advantage of the enormous monetary possibilities presented by the metaverse, which may provide you with much more money than you think. When used correctly and prudently, it has the potential to make you the next billionaire. Let's have a look at the list and discover how the metaverse may help you become wealthy. In this video, we are going to cover 10 ways to get rich from the metaverse. Number 10. Creating and selling NFT art. Creating NFTs and selling them to customers or at metaverse virtual art shows generates real-time revenue. NFT is an acronym for a non-fungible token, which is essentially your property on the internet that belongs to you alone. At the moment, the most lucrative NFTs are in the areas of music, artwork, videos, and tweets. To start, you must create or mint your NFT. To create an NFT of your artwork, you'll need to choose an NFT platform and a payment wallet, the latter of which will be used to pay fees. And to receive cash if your NFT is successfully sold. There are several internet sites available for creating and selling NFTs. It's not as hard as it seems. The first thing you have to do is create a digital wallet for the purpose of paying for your NFT. Then you can increase the amount of Bitcoin in your wallet. After that, connect your wallet to a platform that supports NFTs. Upload the file that you want to convert to an NFT, create an auction for your non-financial transaction. Include a description to help you sell your NFT and pay a listing fee. After those simple steps, you're good to go, and you can start making money on the metaverse. Number 9. Virtual real estate. The browser-based 3D virtual world platforms that are purchased using Bitcoin are a burgeoning currency for online purchases of virtual land. The virtual world's metaverses such as Sandbox and Decentraland are creating enormous profits for individuals. What you can do is advertise the virtual plots online and earn a commission on their sale, which will provide 1,000% return in less than a year. Real estate flipping is another way to make money online. This is the practice of purchasing parcels of virtual land or digital assets and reselling them for a profit. You can also become a virtual real estate broker. With so much real estate business to be done, the need for virtual real estate business has only grown. As a real estate broker, you may earn significant commissions by connecting buyers and sellers or simply by providing advice. Or you could become a real estate manager. Another excellent option to monetize your knowledge in metaverse real estate is to become a manager of other users' assets, which includes monitoring the optimal use of virtual venues such as music halls and plots of land. Number 8. Advertising. Developing advertising platforms such as signboards in the metaverse similar to the actual world is a new generation technology that is assisting a large number of companies online. One example is virtual billboards, which enables users to view signs on virtual billboards located on buildings within 100 meters through Bluetooth technology. Real-world corporate titans such as Nike are establishing a presence in the metaverse to promote their goods. Digital marketers must stay current on technology advancements. This includes an appreciation for the metaverse's full potential. What marketers must grasp is that the metaverse is not a passing fad. It seems to be here to stay and is on its way to becoming the next big thing. To start, marketers must recognize the importance of millennials and Gen Zers as a target demographic. Additionally, these generations are passionate consumers of some types of metaverses, such as games like Roblox and technology like virtual reality. Creating marketing experiences that are connected to real-world events or that mirror what your business currently does in the real world. Number 7. Education. When the pandemic started, educational institutions closed. Because of that, instructional activities are rapidly transitioning to the internet. Virtual schooling's enormous potential and the migration of millions of students to online classrooms have the potential to create a lot of money in the metaverse. Through online tutoring and educational initiatives such as Teacher On, online degree programs, and so on. Number 6. Voxels. Voxels may be thought of as three-dimensional pixels that are utilized to form things online by connecting many of them together. By comparing voxels to Minecraft, you may have a better understanding of them. Just as you would link blocks in real life to create a shape, you can do the same in the virtual world using voxels. You can sell voxels online for money, and there are voxel-related internet retailers. By the way, we're on a mission to inspire people like yourself to make generational wealth, so make sure to subscribe if that sounds like you. Number 5, business creation. For businesses wishing to establish a foothold in the metaverse and get wealthy, there is ideal business models for them in which they can develop online storefronts and sell real-world as well as virtual items to earn revenue. Consider Shopify, Amazon, and others. You may generate money in the digital realm by selling apparel, sporting products, entertainment, or real estate. Whether you currently have a brick-and-mortar business and want to grow online, or you're just getting started with your first store, the good news is that creating an online shop has never been simpler than it is today. Thanks to commerce builders such as Shopify and WordPress plugins such as WooCommerce. Even web providers like Bluehost are now meant to simplify your life. It's easy to get started creating your own online store. If you're not that technologically savvy, you can start by locating the ideal e-commerce website builder. An e-commerce builder is a piece of internet software that enables you to create your online store without the need for extensive technology skills, coding expertise, or a dozen computer monitors. All you need is a computer and a fantastic business idea. Number 4, play to earn gaming. Recently, a trend in the metaverse has evolved in which players are rewarded with NFTs and Bitcoin for completing specific tasks, including clearing levels, winning a competition, or earning the greatest score in online games. Numerous existing and forthcoming play-to-earn games provide economic rewards for players in exchange for their time and attention. For example, Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Crypto Blades. Number 3, parcel renting. You should be conversant with the monetary worth of real estate in the actual world. It's very pricey, isn't it? Surprisingly, real estate in the virtual world or metaverse is quite pricey too. In the same way that individuals own property in the real world and rent it out to make easy money, the same is true in the metaverse. You can purchase land in the metaverse such as Decentraland and rent it to others, producing a substantial amount of money. As is the case in real life, you may purchase a piece of land, construct a home or other form of property, and then rent it out. You might also utilize your home to advertise, particularly if it is a high-traffic region. Number 2, data science. We live in the information or data era. The metaverse is amassing data on individuals at the lowest level. To compare the visitor retention rate of a blog, for example, to that of other comparable blogs, the data-driven reports can assist clients in making more profitable choices at Metaverse. This data collected by data science teams, and its presentation in an easy-to-read market study report, as well as its presentation to consumers, is how you earn money. The metaverse is widely seen as the internet's future, and like the latter, it can collect data from user habits, purchases, and visits. Additionally, the internet accomplishes this via websites, which monitor your website visits and activity. The generation and preservation of data in the metaverse is a tremendous opportunity for any data scientist or analyst familiar with digital systems. To illustrate how this works, consider how various sites might profit from metaverse data gleaned via advertising and market study. Investors are always curious about the performance of their investments. In this scenario, numerous retailers and landowners are interested in obtaining information on the number of visitors to their digital spaces using this data. Market research is also advantageous since real estate owners, managers, and developers will constantly want to know how to price their property and assets in relation to the pricing of their neighbors or other investors. To leverage this, one may purchase such data from the Metaverse platform, analyze it, and then break it down for a price for many customers in need of the knowledge, assisting them in making data-driven business choices. As you gain money via your services, your customer earns more money, creating a win-win scenario. Number 1, virtual reality travel and tourism. Agents like travel guides and tourists earn money in real life. They may also make a lot of money in the metaverse. Virtual reality travel and tourism have exploded in popularity in the aftermath of the COVID-19 outbreak and subsequent lockdowns. Travel and tourist advisors choose to capitalize on the metaverse tourism industry by recreating historical landmarks and events in the virtual world. Travel aficionados have moved their focus to virtual tours as a means of escape, creating an excellent chance for you to earn substantial revenue. Due to travel limitations last year, virtual reality excursions of ancient Greece and Egypt gained popularity. On the other side, the Metaverse's development teams want to captivate visitors and recreate historical events such as the American Civil War. Thus, you will not only be able to traverse countries without leaving your home, but also to go across time. Additionally, with companies using the Metaverse for collaboration, there is a significant reduction in the requirement for long-distance travel, which saves money and gasoline. And if you found this video useful, then you'll love these. And be sure to like this video to let the YouTube algorithm know you'd like to see more videos like this one.